In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix NotebookLM microphone not working for audio overviews. Windows. If your microphone isn't being detected in NotebookLM when you try to record an audio overview, the most common cause is that your browser doesn't have permission to use the mic at the Windows level. NotebookLM runs inside your browser, so Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Firefox needs explicit access to your microphone before the site can hear you. We'll turn on the right permissions and then restart the browser so the change takes effect. Start by opening Windows Settings. You can press the Windows key and the letter I together, or open the Start menu and choose the gear icon. In Settings, look to the left and click Privacy and Security. Now find Microphone under App Permissions and select it. This page controls which apps on your PC can listen to your microphone. At the top of this page, turn on microphone access for this device. Think of this as the master switch. If it's off, nothing on your computer can use the mic, including your browser. Once that's on, look just below it for Allow apps to access your microphone and make sure that toggle is also on. This enables microphone use for modern Windows apps and some system features. Next, scroll down further until you see Allow desktop apps to access your microphone and turn that on as well. This one is crucial for browsers. Chrome, Edge, and Firefox are considered desktop apps, and without this switch enabled, they can't receive audio from your microphone, even if the other toggles are on. If you see a list that shows recently used desktop apps, don't worry if your browser isn't listed yet. Turning the toggle on is what matters. With those permissions set, restart your browser so the changes apply. Fully close it, including any extra windows, and give it a second to exit. Then open your browser again. A quick relaunch ensures Windows hands over the new microphone permissions properly. Head back to NotebookLM and try recording an audio overview again. With the device level access on, app access enabled, and desktop app access allowed, your browser should now be able to use the microphone normally. If you're on a work or school computer and any of these toggles are grayed out, that can mean the setting is managed by your organization and you might need to follow their policies. That's it. Simple, clear, and effective. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your microphone working in NotebookLM right away.